Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Prius side mirror. First, gather your tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a new side mirror assembly. Make sure the new mirror is compatible with your specific Prius model. Working in a well-lit, safe environment is crucial for this repair. This process is straightforward, but having the right tools makes it much easier. Let's get started by preparing your workspace and ensuring you have everything at hand. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel covering the mirror's mounting bolts. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the trim is off, you'll see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect this wire harness. Next, locate the three 10mm nuts holding the mirror in place. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these nuts. With the nuts removed and the wire disconnected, the old mirror should come right off. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Once it's in place, thread on the three 10mm nuts by hand, then use your socket wrench to tighten them securely. Don't over-tighten, but ensure they are snug. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. This restores power to the mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Double-check all connections before proceeding. Finally, let's test the new mirror and finish up. Turn on your Prius and check that the power adjustments work correctly. Adjust the mirror to your preferred viewing angle. If your mirror has a heating function, test that as well. Once you've confirmed everything is working, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim pieces. Make sure all clips are secure and the panel sits flush. You've successfully replaced your side mirror. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.